So guys, Isaiah Thomas described how he found out that he got traded. So Isaiah Thomas said, "It's funny, I've just been celebrating when I got the call from Danny Ainge." And for most of you who don't know, Danny Ainge is the Celtics general manager who traded Isaiah Thomas. Isaiah Thomas said, "When I got the call from Danny Ainge, I was leaving the airport with my wife Kayla. I was coming back from celebrating our 1-year wedding anniversary. We had gone to Miami for a couple of days and now we're back in Seattle driving home. I missed the call, must have been doing something in the car. Danny Ainge left a text saying, 'Isaiah Thomas, call me when you can.'" Sounds dramatic, but that's actually a pretty normal text from Danny Ainge. Could have been about all sorts of things, so I called him back, still driving and not really thinking much of it. He knew I'd been on my trip, so he asked me a couple questions about it. I'm sure I asked him how he was, maybe how the family was doing. Again, you know, just a normal sort of talk. And then somewhere in there, it was just like it was barely anything. This little pause in the conversation, that's when he told me, "I just traded you." Simple as that, no big words, no big speech. But I guess when it came down to it, there's not much more to say. To where? That's all I could imagine. To the Cavaliers for Kyrie. Danny Ainge started going on about everything I've done for the city of Boston and for the Celtics organization, both on and off the court, about what a great player I am and how I'm going to be great in Cleveland, you know, telling me that type of stuff. And he was like, at that point in time, I definitely didn't want to hear none of that. So I was steady trying to cut him off a few times, and then eventually I did. It was basically, you know, I appreciate you reaching out, I appreciate you telling me, but there's really nothing else that you or I need to be saying right now. And that was the gist of it. That was the call. So guys, that's how Isaiah Thomas described how he found out that he was traded. He got a phone call from the Celtics general manager Danny Ainge, and he told him that they traded him, and that was it. I don't know, man. Isaiah Thomas did a lot for the Celtics, but I mean, like Isaiah Thomas said, it's all business. I wish the best of luck to Isaiah Thomas. Hopefully he can fit well with the Cavaliers. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I'm out.